If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help unlock smoother gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 2. Adjusting game settings. Open the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution and adjust settings such as shadows, textures, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help increase frame rates and minimize stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other software that could interfere with game performance. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher like Battle.net or Steam. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 5. Monitor system performance. Use performance monitoring tools to check your CPU and GPU usage while playing. If either is consistently maxed out, consider upgrading your hardware or adjusting your settings further to achieve a better balance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Call of Duty. Happy gaming!